I made a very big tire rotation mistake for about 30,000 miles with my all-terrains, and I don't want you to do the same. I will be rotating my tires today and showing you what I learned from that experience and how I'm applying it to my highway tires that are currently on the truck. I would very much recommend getting a set of wheel chocks. You'll see over there, I already have the front wheel chalked front and back. Typically, if I'm jacking the rear end, I'll block the front. Obviously, you want to use jack stands. That's kind of a no-brainer, and you should probably make sure you're using at least a 3-ton jack if you're jacking up a Super Duty. My truck weighs over 8,000 pounds with all the stuff I have in it, so just be smart. Ooh, hello. Jack was a little bit stuck there, eh? All right, jacks are positioned. Let's get off these canuts with my little weenie. And it goes without saying, but do not put your lug nuts on, at least initially, with your impact, because there's a large danger of you cross-threading. You want to put them on with your fingers, and I like to put the bottom one on like pretty much all the way, so it just holds the wheel on, and then you can go around and buzz them with all the impact nonsense that you kids have these days. So the other thing that's worth noting is that this tire used to be on the front on the other side. So right now you can even see kind of on the outside, it's a little bit hard to see, but there is like a tiny bit of cupping, and as soon as I started seeing a little scaly is usually when I rotate my tires. That's typically between 2,500 and 5,000 miles, or 4,000 miles realistically. This rotation I had a bunch of driving to do, so I'm doing it after like 4,000 miles. But if you do it at 2,500, then that's really nice. Honestly, your tires will thank you. Relax. I'm sure someone might be like, that little impact's not for doing that, you're gonna ruin it. I don't care. Okay, so I just took the rear tire on the driver's side, moving it to the front. Then I'm gonna move the other one to the back. This tire I'm wheeling around just came off of the driver's side front, and it is going on the passenger side rear. So we got these snugged up. Now, I'm not just gonna drive away like this. I'm going to set the truck back down so it's weight on all 4 corners, and then we're gonna torque everything to 165 foot-pounds. Okay, we just finished rotating the tires. We did front to back, across the backs. That's what I've been doing. Again, that's what I do. You don't have to do it, but maybe try it. Again, I'm not a technician or a mechanic, but this is what I've found driving a lot of miles as an owner to be very helpful to improve tire longevity, whether it's all-terrains or highway tires. So give it a try. Certainly leave me a comment below if this was helpful to you or if you disagree. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time here on Power Stroke Maintenance. Cheers.